So I was on the first episode of the Chappelle Show that failed miserably back in the day. That was a Sally Field show.
I remember someone wrote that when I did Hollywood Squares because it was right around.
You know what? The numbers are we still? I have
Can you tell I've never done a Zoom before?
Right.
They were and they weren't.
You having to listen to those goddamn answers?
You know, things just don't always go the way we anticipated. You know,
You
where
like-
but go ahead.
You like energy bars?
I don't smoke, no drink, no energy bars, no caffeine, none of that stuff.
What do you eat?
I just eat fruits
Fruit?
and vegetables, no meat.
Just fruit? Yeah, what do you think I am, a bird or something? You know?
Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.